What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to speed up or slow down audio or control the audio speed on your Canva designs. So here is the design I was working on. Now here is the Canva design that I was working on. Let's say I will add like an audio file or a video in order to show you how to control the speed. So click here on videos from the elements menu or elements options here. Click on videos and I'll just add like a random video. Okay, now once the video is added right here, just click on it in order to highlight it, and then go ahead to the playback option. And here you can control the video speed, increasing this number will make the video faster, and decreasing the number will make the video slower. Now, this is for video files. Now, if you have an audio, unfortunately, you cannot do this directly with audio files. If you upload your audio file as an MP3 and add it to your project, you will not be able to control the playback speed or making it faster or slower. So what you can do here is to go and search online for MP3 change playback speed online. And then go ahead to the website like this, the MP3 cutter change speed, which will help you upload your file. And once you upload your file right here, you will be able to control the playback speed and then download it again. And once you do so, you can embed it in Canva with the speed that you want.